Alright, so hello guys. We are going up to what's it called? Yeah, the Green Parrot Grill. Right now, going up to the restaurant. So here we go. Walking like a beast, walking like a beast. Party time, party time. Oh, sorry. Party time. Oh. Oops. Here, do it again. He just threw his tablet up in the air and he didn't even care. Because he caught it. He caught it.
What? The dead.
Yeah, but it's gone. Ew. No, it probably picked it up with something. Instead of just their hands. Alright, we'll be back when we get to the restaurant. Okay, guys? What a short house. Whatever, though. I'm so fast. I'm so fast. Alright, we're back. Here we are at the restaurant. There's a crazy lady right there.
Go.
Oh no, she's back. The crazy lady. Alright, so hello. We're back at the table that we were at last time. Yeah, you know what? So awesome. Yo. Hey, thank you. Okay. What do you guys want? Right there. Don't fall. What do you guys want, huh? What do you guys want? Want a burger? A burger? You want an appetizer? I don't know. You will decide when you come here someday. If you do. Alright guys, so really I just wanted to show you guys us coming here and then, yeah, being here.
I will straight to here without even exiting out.
Yo, okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment if you'd like to, subscribe. Peace out.